Welcome back to another episode of Retro Unboxing. Today we've got the Airfix Supermarine Spitfire Mk.2a, kit number 02095. This one was released to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the Battle of Britain, so it's part of that special collection. We've actually looked at the Lancaster from the same series before, and if you want to check that out, we'll pop a link at the end of the video. Based on that kit, we've got a pretty good idea that this Spitfire should be just as solid. Now, unlike some of the moulds we've looked at, this tooling here isn't actually that old. It first appeared in 1990, and you can really tell. Straight away, there's a noticeable improvement compared to some of the older unboxings we've done. The detail is sharper, the lines are cleaner, and the plastic itself feels nice and solid. It is of course a fairly small kit by all standards, but that's the charm of it. You could build this up quite quickly, and with a bit of paint and weathering, it would really look the part. Perfect if you want a satisfying project without weeks of sanding and filing. There aren't any instructions in this particular boxing, but the decals look fantastic. Crisp, clear and very much ready to go straight onto the finished model. All in all, it's a neat little package, a classic subject, commemorative boxing and a kit that still holds up really well, more than 30 years after its tooling. So what do you think? Would you build this Spitfire? Let us know in the comments, and if you've enjoyed this retro unboxing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more kits and more nostalgia. We'll see you next time.